Are you guys ready to quit being lazy and go to the farm?
Yeah.
We're just gonna lay around all day?
No.
You guys ready to go work?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go get some work done.
Okay.
Alright, so we don't got a whole lot planned for today. Today's kind of going to be a cleanup day. Clean up around the shop, clean up around the barns. My brother does a hog roast every year now and does it over at the farm. So we're just going to try and get stuff looking nice for that and maybe wash and wax some equipment. So looks like we keep care of them. We do. It just gets dirty sitting in the barns. But yeah, we're gonna do that, and then might do a quick crop tour. So everything's looking pretty good. Our crops are better than most. We've been really blessed here to get some rains when we needed them, and last night we got about 3 inches, which it was a little scary because it got really windy, but I mean, we needed the rain, so I mean, we'll take it. All right, we're heading over there. I think Zach's already over there, and my brother might come over and help too. So here we go.
Your toes sticking out of your shoes, dude.
Oh, dang.
You got sandals almost.
Shoes are about done for, buddy.
You got them on the wrong feet. That's why they're always like that.
Join the club.
Oh, Bubba.
What up?
Yeah, I can't put you on camera.
Why not?
Oh, look at my shirt. It's so much better.
Kenzie's the only one that looks normal.
We're at the farm. We're supposed to look like dirty, right?
Yeah. How am I supposed to not get my nice clothes dirty?
This isn't millennial farming. This is real farming.
Kenzie, throw it up. No.
And there it goes.
Oh, now it's all nasty.
Go take it in the house.
You want me to make
It's
it
all
better,
gross.
Finchy? I can just cut this leg off.
Yeah,
Just
keep one leg that would look
rock a one-legger.
One leg would look much better.
Throw it to me, Kenzie. Kenzie.
What are you doing? Me.
Ready?
Yeah. Catch it. Why are you wetting your pants more?
Yeah, I don't know if that's the right decision to make there, Bubba.
How you gonna sleep now? No pants?
Alright, so we're gonna move everything out here and sweep up and just clean up the shop real quick. It's kind of our plan. Because we got some oil on the floor and just some dirt and stuff from spring, so we're gonna get to it. Got to button back up the combine because still got it all open from installing the sensors.
Daddy, I'm gonna go into the combine again.
We're going in the combine? Alright. We just gotta get her all buttoned back up.
Are you going in the combine?
I'm gonna be the sweeper. I'm gonna sweep.
And I wanna go too.
Don't go forwards.
And you're gonna drive that with those pants on?
What was that?
You're gonna drive my truck with that pants on?
Yes.
Yeah, wait till Bubba runs us into the wall.
Yeah, I'm not too confident here. He's probably drove a truck 2 or 3 times.
It's not even turning over.
Yeah.
Ready?
There we go. You gotta wait till that builds up to like 90 at least.
Yep.
Then you push in the yellow one.
Yep. So it's the actual shifting part for me.
Just all the way over and up.
Yeah. No, we're in reverse. But it's the shifting down the road part. That's the one I'm not. I can get backwards. I can get reverse.
Stickers still on there. Looking pretty nice. Is he gonna kill it?
Yeah.
Release the brake. Pack this bad boy out. There's our Farm TRX box that we installed the other day. Can't wait to try that out. That's gonna be awesome. There's our old monitor. It does tell you the yield, but it doesn't map it or anything, and needs to be calibrated. It hasn't really been that accurate, so. Alrighty, here we go.
So you put the brakes on and it's out of here. That's all you need, right?
Yeah, just pull that yellow thing out.
Yeah, it's up. So I just want to make sure we took it out of here.
Yeah. Alright, so one other thing we gotta pick up is all our spraying gear. Gotta get all this picked up and put our hose away. Get our pump and our inductor put in the old barn. Find somewhere to put the old tandem because we're running out of room in the barns. Especially with the new semi, that takes up a lot of space. So yeah, we get these put away. Then we might pressure wash tractor or something. We'll see. Every time we get a bad storm, this area right here just floods. Have to really rip it after this fall. See if that helps. But there used to be an old barn here that we had cows in it, and this was the cow pasture, so it just got stepped on forever and compacted. So I don't know, just need to rip the hell out of it, and hopefully that helps. But got that all put on a pallet. We're gonna get that put away, and I got the water running out of our truck to empty it out because we're done spraying for the year. So they had problems with the sprayer. The pump walls got real thin, so a lot of the plugs started leaking. So I gotta get a new pump put on it. So I had fungicide flown on the corn, which I really wanted to get a video of that, but it was while I was at work. And then I got fungicide and insecticide put on our home farm, but not on the rest. And I think I'm just gonna let it go and see what the yield difference is. So yeah, we're pretty much done spraying and we're ready to get to harvest now. So gonna let all that water run out, and then we're gonna get that stuff put away. Get her all cleaned up, dude?
Good job.
You know, Uncle Corey get her all blown out?
He did.
Yeah?
Yep, killing it all.
Yeah, looking nice.
It's a lot better.
But there's some joints there. But there's
Yeah, it's a little dirty. That's fine. Nobody's gonna care. Put a table over the top of it.
You wanna run the pressure washer in a little bit?
yeah.
We gotta put a couple things away, and then maybe we'll wash that tractor so it looks good.
It's what?
Yeah, it's humid. Super humid. What are you guys doing?
The eating powder.
Eating powder? Eating
Straight sugar.
Jack Yup powder?
No.
Well, we got her all cleaned up. Got our tables and chairs ready. Just gotta go pick up that stuff out there. This is my spray stuff. And I think I'm just gonna put it under the high boy. It's gonna move some equipment around, but sprayer's dead. I think I left the monitor on. So that's pretty much gonna end that game. So just gonna throw it under the high boy, put that stuff in there, and put the truck out in the barnyard, and that's probably about it for today. All right, got everything put away. Even waxed the old 7140 real quick. Still gotta do the cab, but I did the hood. Shined her up, she needed it. Been wanting to do that for a while, so. Wasn't the most exciting video, we didn't get too much done, but you know, Saturday, some days are like that. We're kinda in between season here, so. Another month and a half or so, we'll start picking up and hopefully start picking some beans, so. Alrighty, we'll see you next time.